And hello again, Wolves fans. It is time for the 11th annual Chicago Wolves Baby Derby, sponsored by Kimberly-Clark and Jewel Osco. I am your congenial master of ceremonies, Wayne Messmer. The object, very simply, we have some babies, moms or dads on one end, and the babies' moms or dads on the other. We're simply going to put the baby down in lanes 1 through 5, and the first one to get over here is going to win an exceptional round-trip airline certificate to Mexico's Riviera Maya with accommodations at the all-inclusive 5-star Iberostar Paraiso Maya. Courtesy of Funjet Vacations, do something you'll never forget. Let's meet our contestants. Contestant number 1 is Bright Morrison from Lake Zurich. There he is. Contestant number 2 in lane 2 is Daisy Chaidez from Cicero. In lane 3 is Connor Peck from Port Barrington. And lane 4 is Aiden Greenwald from Carpentersville. Lane 5 is Aubrey McCarthy from Oak Forest. All right, moms and dads, are you ready? Babies, are you ready? On your mark, get set. Put the babies down. We're off and running. Here we go. All right, so far, nothing. Lane number 3. And Connor's turning around, looking over there. A lot of cute looks. Here we go. In number 5, Aubrey has taken 2. Whoa! Here we go. Number 2, Daisy Chaidez is making the move. Look at this. This could be uncontested. Daisy Chaidez going for a new American and world record. Daisy Chaidez inches away from victory. She wins! Undisputed victory from Cicero, Illinois, Daisy Chaidez. Thank you, of course, to Kimberly-Clark, Jewel Osco, moms and dads, and all the kids. Let's give them a round of applause for our Baby Derby.